Homie Strong Airsoft here with his another
See, all these guys
ready to
really
shoot the
big
children.
guns. This is
Ready to
all I
shoot you.
need.
Yeah.
Yes, your thumb.
All you guys
That
with
mannequin
the really
though, is that
big
your
guns,
girlfriend?
this is all I need.
Well, I guess they did a good beheading job. I'm gonna lift that.
I'm sorry.
I got one better.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you get your butts down to the tank room.
Yeah.
Shoo, shoo.
You want to go?
Yes. You're under arrest.
No.
Yes. All of the times. All of the times. My comrades in arms. All of the comrades in arms. Brothers in arms. People. Extraterrestrial beings, maybe. Any aliens?
It's going to be a big melee.
All you guys and your big guns.
Oh, you guys and
Little scorpion.
That's a nice gun.
Kyle, did you forget what I
That's the same
spent my
gun?
first
Yeah.
round
Cool.
using?
No. Oh, you're
so
pissed?
bad.
Yeah, I have mine too. Speaking of which, I should play.
ready?
Probably.
Here,
Yeah.
hold that real quick. It's unsafe, so.
That's cool.
Ready, Kyle?
Wow, this thing's heavy, guys.
Let me feel that.
This
I'll be
is
the
all
judge.
metal.
It's not too heavy.
No, but I mean, it's quality.
It's quality, not
Where'd you buy this stuff?
overcompensated. Wait,
Extra.
how much?
I don't remember.
I went to Expired today, by the way,
Huh?
to get BBs and stuff. Got a patch, Dad. Medical patch on the back now.
This guy's got a couple. He's got grenades too.
Yeah, I have one too.
What kind of grenades you got there, man?
Yeah, cyclones too.
Cyclones? Nice.
No, it's the window, so I didn't get it off. Like staying on.
You fool.
You guys got radio communication? Okay, so
They got radio comms.
Do not move.
You don't want to do meetings with you guys? Yeah. So just off focus, so balls down here. I usually go.
Guys, which way are you going, right or left?
I'm going right.
You guys going right?
I'm going right, yeah.
We'll go left. We'll take the left side. You got the right?
yeah, go forward right.
TAU, anyone who is TAU or affiliated, we're going left.
I'm going circle.
Left by the tower. We'll take the tower and we'll have some guys push up as we move.
I'll go circle.
There's a, how the hell is
You're gonna go star if I'm done with you.
Ooh, that's
Are you trying to make nuts jokes again?
That was a nat shot.
All right, we're 30 seconds to game. 30 seconds to game.
What happened to your flash right here?
Remember, we're playing football. The football's on the vehicle. But we got to get 5 bars of gold in the football before it can be moved. Then you want to move it to the opposite spawn
Yeah, come here.
within the time frame.
If you two go up
40 seconds.
go right in that little window slot with this,
Yeah.
then we'll move soon.
Guys, we'll take the tower.
Okay.
We'll take the tower. You guys flank around. We'll fucking we'll hold the tower.
For the bricks too.
Oh, yeah. Marpat, though.
It's the center of the place, pretty much. I think.
Let them go first. We'll move up the rear.
20 seconds.
Well, everyone's just gonna go.
Well, yeah. Stack up. Kyle, take point.
No, I got it. It's good. It has to be.
Stack.
It's gonna be fucking up my nose.
Guy with the
These guys
little
go
is gonna
first.
run first.
I have a headset communication like that.
Let these guys
Whoever's
go
fast
first.
should go up front. That's what
We're gonna go to the
I
right.
think we
we
should
got
like
lighter guns for this.
Wonder what your radio comms channel is.
One.
One?
Just one. No one else brings it.
Yeah.
I thought it was 20 seconds ago.
Anytime, Bob.
Go, 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 go!
Run! Run! Take him out. Take him out that side. Move! Run!
Yeah. Yeah.
Watch that side. Screw the plan. Watch the right side. Move! Move!
Watch out, watch out.
Oh shit!
Watch out. There's a guy right here. Get that guy out.
New plan. Dan on me. You follow me, you get lost, I kill you myself in the car. Oh, sorry. You're already out though? No,
I'm not out, my battery's out.
I am so sorry.
It's fine, move up.
Let's go. Why are you so afraid? Move. I've been waiting for this. Cover. Give him cover. Give him cover.
EJ, where you at?
We're here, we're right here, on us.
Bank. We got two.
Yep, Roger.
Down the hallway?
We'll move, I got your six.
Turn the hallway, turn the hallway.
Roger. You guys like military or something? Clear six.
I am.
Army?
Yeah, I'm in National Guard.
Oh really, that's what I'm going in there.
Down flower shot.
Roger.
Hey, go to that wall. Go,
Roger.
go. Come back here. Go, come on.
Friendlies, we're moving up.
Come on. Friendly moving in.
Friendly moving in.
I follow this way. Go down.
Give me a sit rep.
Go down. I already got two over there. You're good.
Roger, Dan, cover that 6 o'clock. Dude, we're working with someone from the army.
Check.
I got under you.
Come on.
On me, let's go, Dan. Get on 6 o'clock.
Go bar right here.
Go bar right here. Cover this, Dan, cover 6.
Back it up. Make way.
Back, move up.
Yo, one stay on me. Hey.
I got you. No man gets up behind. You need me to cover your 6?
Yeah, come that way.
Roger.
Guys, they're pulling up down.
Roger, they're flanking on 6.
So, just like that.
Roger. Do we hold position?
Go this way. Somebody's talking.
Yeah. You got a frag? Oh.
Repeat. What was that? Repeat.
Cover this one with the 6. Just a bunch of children. I believe from that side. I can't see though. I believe they're hostile
I
though.
got two stuck over there.
Roger. I got our 6, no covering. We got a single shooter who took out my buddy over here by, I believe, the tower.
We should move into that room. Have one of us cover that room.
Yeah.
You want to go or I'll go?
If we can rally the squad, then we can move in teams of 2.
Alright.
Do you want to rally back a little bit or hold position?
Want to?
Yeah, I'd like to rally, see what we can, yeah, unless they can move
I
down.
still got two stuck over there.
I think, yeah, they're pinned over there. You want to unpin them?
Oh, my bad. DJ.
Rally him.
Right there. Watch it, watch it.
That's great.
How many are in there?
2. This is going to be 3.
Alright.
Roger.
Hey, where you at? Yo, I feel like there might be a gold brick in that room. Let's go in there.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I got a 6. This is covered. Yeah, my team like that. Check that room, I'll cover. Wait, I think it's not. No, negative. What? Moving to you. Moving to you.
Eric, where you at? Where you at?
Friendly. Rendezvous.
Yeah, there's nothing in here.
Nothing in here. Clear from my position. Want to clear down that hallway? Cover me, I'm gonna cross. Cover me. What?
You're good. Yo, there's 2 behind this wall, behind the first grade. Look at this hole, you can see them putting their hands up.
Roger. How you doing? I'll take a visual. I'll take
Right here. Cut left right here, that's home.
I can see their shadows.
Keep me covered, I gotta keep my glasses.
Roger.
What'd you say, Brady?
Yo. We'll do that. That side. Yeah. That guy's here?
Yeah, behind the person that
Yeah, they're behind the wall in this side right here. Dad, rally up, cover this hallway on the right, on your left. Yeah, right. Your left side, cover the left side hallway. TAU, rally up, lock down this position. I'm gonna move around, you cover me. Actually, I'm gonna cover you because you need to clear the guys. You good? Cover this next, I'm moving around here. Contact! Damn! Shadow, cover that side. Make sure no one gets in. I got you covered, buddy. No one fights alone, my friend. Yo! Move in! Move in! Grenade!
Keep moving in! Keep moving out!
What's the situation here?
Hey!
What's the situation? Give me a report.
Coming out!
We going in for the.
I got a guy coming
Shit. Let me hit.
Give me a sit rep. Who's orange out here or yellow? Yellow, yellow. Sit rep.
All right, we got one guy over here to the corner. I know there's a guy shooting for my 2.
Yep.
Okay. Let's just keep an eye on this one section. I can just link back to this one.
Roger. Got position that way. Hit! Dead man! Shit. Dead man! Damn. Dead man! Dead man! Dead man walking! Get your ass to the front. Ass to the front, let's move. Dead man, ass to the front, jog. Ass to the front, jog. Oh fuck. What's going on? Fuck. I don't know what's going on. It's bad. Yellow! 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 Teammate, yellow! Oh, it's glad to see you. I'm glad to see you, man. Dan! Fire! Suppressing fire! Yo guys! Suppressing fire!
DJ, where you at? Yo!
Fuck. Just dropped through my mag. Fuck.
He's right there. Right up there between the cracks.
Okay.
Over there.
You alright, old man?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Stay with me. You're gonna go to the Marines, old man. You gotta fight like that shit. Come on, fight me! Come on, guys. You said you were gonna kill me.
I can sit here.
No, we can't.
Gotta get down.
We have no choice. Our current possession. Danny boy, sit rep. You guys can move. Move up. One guy on the right, move up. Danny, move right. Move right. Right, Danny boy, right. Friendly.
I don't hear you. Guy on the bottom over here.
Bottom over there.
Get him, get him!
I thought there was a guy in a tank a little bit ago. Is he still up there?
I don't know. 1 second.
I think I already took him out. Brandon, where you at?
Hold position. Hold position. He gave us an order. Friendly.